going to dive in today. You're going to have one of the most phenomenal trainings today ever. You're going to walk away not just knowing, but you're going to walk away understanding how to do. If anybody is running a staffing business without their applicant tracking system, they need to shut their doors in real life. Because the only way you're going to be able to be competitive in this day and age is to utilize technology. Everything that you see that's done on the back end is based on a proven success formula that my healthcare staffingpreneurs are using. Your package has been set up for you all to win in a way that nobody else's package that purchases any applicant tracking system on the planet has. It tracks employers and their activity with your business based on your specific business and based on your specific hiring strategies. When you have an applicant tracking system and you can see all of the data flowing through your ATS, it literally allows you the opportunity to see, am I servicing my clients in the best way possible? When you do this, then this box on the right-hand side is going to pop up right there. And you're going to click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Okay? Now, I got to tell y'all a secret. What you all just learned is literally what your sales person is going to do every day.